Welcome to the channel. Please subscribe the channel. In this video, we are going to discuss limits and continuity, important problems for intermediate final examinations. The question is given here, limit extends to 0, e power x minus 1 whole divided by root over 1 plus x minus 1. So, how to compute the limit extends to 0 e power x minus 1 by root 1 plus x minus 1. So now what I am doing is here, given that limit extends to 0 e power x minus 1 by root 1 plus x minus 1. See, what I am doing is here rationalizing the denominator. That means we have denominator root 1 plus x minus 1. Here both numerator and denominator multiplying with root 1 plus x plus 1 by root 1 plus x plus 1. This is called rationalization of the denominator. So now which is equal to limit extends to 0. So here in the numerator e power x minus 1 into root over 1 plus x plus 1 whole divided by, if you observe the denominator carefully, so which is in the form of like a minus b into a plus b. See here a is root over 1 plus x and b is 1. So a minus b into a plus b, we have the formula a square, that is root over 1 plus x whole square, and b square, that is minus 1 whole square. See, we applied the formula here. So a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b. So which is can be written as a whole square minus b whole square. That is a square minus b square. So now what happens here? So limit extends to 0. Limit extends to 0. Numerator is e power x minus 1 into root over 1 plus x plus 1. 1 plus x plus 1. This is it. 1 plus x plus 1. So whole divided by. So here square and root gets cancelled. So we get in the denominator 1 plus x and minus 1. See, observe here 1 plus x minus 1. So now this plus 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. Clearly, limit extends to 0. We have e power x minus 1 into root over 1 plus x plus 1 whole divided by x. So further, it can be written as, so limit extends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x into, again limit of the other function also taking, limit extends to 0 root over 1 plus x plus 1. 1 plus x plus 1. See, we have the standard result. So in the limits, the standard form of the limit says that limit extends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x is equal to 1. Wherever you get limit extends to 0, e power x minus 1 by x, you consider that as 1. So now which is equal to this entire thing is, you can write it as 1 into, so limit extends to 0. Root over 1 plus x plus 1. So x is approaching to 0. So that's why replace x by 0. So plus 1. So finally what we get here? 1 into, this is root 1, 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So now 1 into 2, this is equal to 2. So finally, so therefore limit extends to 0, e power x minus 1 whole divided by root over 1 plus x minus 1, which is equal to 2. So like this we can compute the given limit.